Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to use Duo mobile app. In this video, we'll show you how to set up and use Duo mobile for your online accounts, including websites and apps. We'll explain the benefits of two-factor authentication and why it's essential in today's digital world. So, let's get started. As technology continues to evolve, so do the ways we secure our online accounts. Passwords are no longer enough to protect our personal information from cyber threats. That's where two-factor authentication comes in. Two-factor authentication, or 2FA, adds an extra layer of security to your online accounts. Duo Mobile is a popular 2FA app that provides an easy and effective way to secure your online accounts. To get started with Duo Mobile, the first step is to download the app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once the app is installed, you'll need to add your online accounts to Duo Mobile. This can be done by scanning a QR code or entering a code manually. Once your accounts are added to Duo Mobile, you'll receive a push notification on your smartphone whenever you try to log into that account. Simply approve or deny the request, and you're good to go. Duo Mobile also provides additional security features, such as the ability to generate passcodes for offline use. One of the main benefits of Duo Mobile is that it works with a wide range of online accounts, including websites and apps. This means you can use Duo Mobile to secure your email, social media, banking, and other online accounts. In addition to securing your online accounts, Duo Mobile also provides detailed security reports. These reports show you the location and device used to log into your accounts, so you can identify any suspicious activity. That's it for our comprehensive guide on how to use Duo mobile app. We hope you found this video helpful in understanding the benefits of two-factor authentication and how to use Duo mobile to secure your online accounts. Remember, securing your online accounts is essential in today's digital world, and Duo mobile is an easy and effective way to do just that. Thanks for watching.